Alright, now I got the right size tires on the 255 instead of 275. So that gives me a little clearing between the tires, like 5 millimeters, something like that. And then I just have to put in a 20 millimeter spacer between them and it should be enough. But look at this. This is the widest ass I have seen in a long time. Fuck yeah. I like it. I love it. Good Monday morning, guys. There's a lot of things going on here. It has been a creative weekend together with Tony and my friend Sune. As you can see, Tony has been trying to make a seat template so we can make a whole bench in this bumper style. Yeah, and I got the wheels on, you have seen that, and Sune made some 3D printed spikes. Gonna put on in some sort of red-ish. And in the back, yeah, Tony still got the engine and it has been totally overhauled. And he actually found some old military boxes that we discussed to use for maybe for some electronics or batteries or whatever we find suits in this. It's a really nice box with airtight. Yeah, it actually is airtight. Water tight. Here's the batteries. Try to find a nice place for those. And Tony also made some sort of fender. Not that it should look exactly like this, but yeah, we're on it. Yeah, we have been talking about the lights, the rear end lights as well. And for now, I'm using my mind to figure out this step side or whatever you call that. That's gonna be there. And yeah, after that, I'm getting it ready for the show in Fredericia in Denmark this next weekend. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do. But hell yeah, it's great weather outside and everything is nice and Monday morning and the energy is high and let's fucking go! Take a look at this cool thing. I'm preparing to make this reaction arm finished. Welded. Gonna have a lot of small welds. So this is cool. This is so fucking awesome. What do you think about this design and with the logo in the middle?
gonna have some on the top as well. That is gonna be a cool thing.
What do you think? Good morning, guys. Friday it is, and today I'm just gonna just have 2 hours actually before Tony's coming, and we are going to put this on a trailer and take it to Fredericia. There's a big car show down there, or you can call it a, what do we call that? Place where you sell old cars, special cars and vehicles. Not because we're gonna sell it yet, but just to exhibit it. And it's actually for auto consult. So yeah, that's gonna be a exciting weekend. Look what I just made yesterday. I didn't wanna use my camera yesterday, didn't bother, but yeah, had a little steering wheel fabricated, nothing special, just a little wiring and some iron and stuff, and the old international center from the original steering, and now I just have to put on the door on the other side, and I still need to put the grill on as well, and then we should be good to go.
When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off.
Monday morning, once again. Today it's gonna be once more disassembling of the whole shebang. We had a successful weekend in Fredericia in Denmark here, to a show where they sell old classic cars, special cars, and this was exhibited down there. It was really successful, and all the guys watching it was pretty excited about it. So I'm naturally excited too. It's good to hear some good feedback on your work, and I don't know if I can recall if I showed you this, but today I'm gonna take the whole thing apart, off with the cap again, so I can make everything nice and finish the whole thing up here in the front end. I have to separate the original frame to the new inner layer, so I can get a little coating between the layers, so it won't rust so much. So yeah, and when that is done, when I get the cap off the frame, I can do all the things under the cap that I need to do. So yeah, it's just get some work done. Now I should be able to lower down the frame in the front, and yeah, the cap is already on the ground, as you can see. So now it should be possible to lower down the front end of the frame and just roll the whole thing back. Let's see how that goes.